Infinite space. Space, often referred to as the universe, is incredibly vast and almost unimaginably large. It is constantly expanding, and its true size is still beyond our comprehension. The speed of light. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels at approximately 299,792,458 meters per second, about 186,282 miles per second. It takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds for sunlight to reach Earth. Black holes. Black holes are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. They are formed from the remnants of massive stars that have undergone gravitational collapse. The observable universe contains billions of galaxies, each of which can contain billions of stars. Our Milky Way galaxy is just one of these many galaxies. The vast distances in space are often measured in light years, which is the distance light travels in 1 year. The nearest star to our solar system, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light years away. While space is a vacuum and sound cannot travel through it, there are some regions where there is a lot of activity, like the vibrations of stars or the electromagnetic waves of celestial objects. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station, ISS, experience microgravity, which means they are in a continuous state of free fall. This creates the sensation of weightlessness. To support life as we know it, a planet must be in the Goldilocks zone of its star, where conditions are just right, neither too hot nor too cold, for liquid water to exist. The afterglow of the Big Bang is called the cosmic microwave background radiation. It's a faint glow of microwave radiation that permeates the entire universe and provides important clues about its early history. The majority of the universe is composed of dark matter and dark energy, which are both mysterious and not yet fully understood. They are thought to play crucial roles in the structure and expansion of the universe. On a grander scale, space can refer to the entire universe, which encompasses all of space, time, matter, and energy. Our universe is incredibly vast and contains billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars and planetary systems. Exploring and understanding the universe is the primary focus of astrophysics and cosmology. Remember to like and subscribe